Software Spring. Presents. Filter function, 1-question quiz, with demo of answer, in Google Sheets. Hi folks, greetings. Welcome to this 1-question quiz, on filter function. The demo of the answer follows, after the answer is revealed. Filter is a powerful function, which assists to extract specific data, from specified range, based on one or more conditions. For a step-by-step tutorial, on filter function, please refer to the video, How to Use Filter in Google Sheets, whose link is given in the description. Let's take a look at the filter function formula. You may want to refer to this formula, to answer the quiz question. Alright, here is the quiz question. Which of these formulas, will extract all data, related to value, in cell E3? Okay, here are the answer choices. The time to answer this question is 30 seconds. The time starts now. The correct answer is B. Demo. Let's type the filter function formula. First, type the equal to symbol, FAL, and select filter. What should be the range? The range is cells A3 to C10. We need to specify the entire range, A3 to C10, because we want all the data, pertaining to value, in cell E3. Moving forward, select the range A3 to C10. Type comma. What should be condition 1? Condition 1 is, A3 to A10, should equal E3. The value in cell E3, is the name of a sales manager. The sales manager names, are in cells, A3 to A10. So, we need to specify this expression, as the condition. Specify the condition. The final formula is. Press enter. There you go. Filter has returned the data, pertaining to cell E3. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.